Hi everyone, and welcome to this Fan Art Friday video. This week, I wanted to try a drawing of Alita Battle Angel. I decided to use graphite, and I also added some additional highlights with a white GellyRoll pen. Then later on, to add a bit of red colouring, I used watercolour on top of the graphite shading, and I really hope you enjoy this time lapse. In the end, this drawing took almost 10 hours to complete, and I had an awesome time trying to render the details. So be sure to let me know what you think of this in the comments below, and also let me know if you have any suggestions for future videos. If you want to see more stuff like this, then feel free to subscribe, and any likes or shares on this video, they really mean a lot to me. If you want to follow and support my progress, then be sure to check out the links in the description for my Twitter, Facebook, Instagram and Patreon. And once again, thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate it, and I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you all soon.